Search engines need to have text to find content on your websites or your social media uploads. And you'll be aware that videos, because they don't have text, make it hard for search engines to find the content. So unless you add text to your descriptions for your videos, you'll be missed when the search engines send out their bots. This is the 6th video in the Captionator series of videos, and this one is going to show you about how adding text to your descriptions will improve your SEO. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell because there are 5 more videos in this Captionator series. Instead of relying on search engines to guess the content of your videos, it's best to create a text file for search engines to latch onto. And this ensures your content will rank higher for any given search term. Final Cut Pro's interface won't allow you to copy the text created by Captionator for you to be able to paste that into your web page or your social media description. So how do you get the text that Captionator produced? Captionator created an XML file for it to add to your Final Cut Pro project. So why not use that to access the actual text? But there's a problem. How do you extract all that HTML code so you've just got the text? Well, I'll show you. Find the folder on your hard disk that you created to store that XML. And if you don't recall, refer to the 2nd video in this series, Quick Captions. The link is above. It'll ask you to select a location to save the voice-to-text file. You only need to do this the first time and then let Captionator save it to the location in the future. So right-click on that XML file and open with. Select Text Edit. Copy all the contents. Use Command+A. Open this free-to-use version of WordtoHTML. If you use this frequently, I suggest that you upgrade to the Pro version because it's only $10 anyway. And this is the URL, WordtoHTML.net. The links in the description below. Paste the XML that you've just copied, and then just the text will appear in the visual editor. Copy that to the clipboard. Now paste that into the description on YouTube or into the post on your blog. There are 5 more videos in this series that will show you workflows on how Captionator will enhance your videos. The first video is the overview. The second is to add captions quickly and automatically. The third will show you short and punchy captions that will be a boom for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The fourth will show you how to use captions in longer videos. That's interviews and tutorials, and it'll also show you how to use closed captions. The 5th in the series will show you how to collaborate on a project in Final Cut Pro when Captionator is creating the captions on the original computer and then allow the other editors to be able to edit those captions. And I'd like to point out that none of these videos were sponsored by Captionator, but they did provide an evaluation copy. I hope you enjoy your Captionator experience. It's an easy, low-cost way of adding captions, and it's a one-time purchase available from the Apple App Store. And thank you for watching this series of videos.